Dr. Ted Sallis began as a biochemistry professor at Empire State University, later recruited by the U.S. Army to work on Project Sulphur, which aimed to develop chemical warfare countermeasures. His career took a pivotal turn when he joined Project Gladiator, a SHIELD-sponsored initiative in the Florida Everglades. Tasked with creating a new super soldier serum, Ted modified the formula, an endeavor that would irrevocably change his life. Sallis's personal life unraveled as he focused on his work. His wife, Ellen, felt increasingly neglected, and her resentment drove her to betray him. A subversive organization sought the serum for their own purposes and conspired with Ellen to steal it. Realizing the danger, Ted memorized the formula and destroyed all records before Ellen led him into an ambush. In a desperate bid to escape, Ted injected himself with the serum, which combined with the mystical energies of the swamp and remnants of Kurt Connor's regeneration serum from the area. After crashing his car into the swamp, Ted transformed into the Man-Thing, a grotesque, sentient creature. Stripped of his human intelligence, he killed the agents and disfigured Ellen. Man-Thing's transformation altered his physiology in extraordinary ways. His internal organs, brain, and nervous system restructured to suit his new form. He no longer had ears. Instead, he used his forehead to perceive sounds. His body functioned as a self-sustaining ecosystem, enabling him to survive outside the swamp for extended periods. This unique biology made him one of Marvel's most indestructible characters. Physical attacks passed harmlessly through his porous form, and even if destroyed, he could reform himself entirely. A defining trait of the Man-Thing was his empathic nature. He reacted to the emotions of others, with strong feelings influencing his behavior. Positive emotions like joy or love drew his curiosity, while fear or anger provoked aggression. His signature ability, burning those who feel fear upon touching him, was a byproduct of his empathic connection, as his body secreted a corrosive chemical in response to negative emotions. Early in his existence as Man-Thing, he formed a bond with Jennifer Cayley, a young sorceress. Their connection was childlike and innocent, as Jennifer saw past his monstrous appearance to the remnants of Ted Sallis's humanity. Over the years, Man-Thing's role expanded beyond his swampy home. As the guardian of the nexus of all realities, a hub connecting multiple dimensions, he became an unwitting participant in cosmic events. He could open portals to other realities, assisting those in need of interdimensional travel. The villain Shadow Colonel kept a miniature version of Man-Thing as a pet and weapon, later dubbed Boy-Thing by Blade after the Avengers defeated the Colonel. Though Blade used Boy-Thing to create wooden stakes for combat, the creature resented its diminutive form. Man-Thing also intersected with the Guardians of the Galaxy during their quest for the Infinity Gems. Groot introduced the team to Man-Thing in the Florida Everglades, where the swamp creature guided them through the nexus of all realities. His assistance demonstrated his enduring connection to the mystical and cosmic aspects of the Marvel Universe.